All right, guys, got something very special for you today. So we have the Doki Who Chastity Cage. This is going to come in handy. Let's face it, the world's gotten crazier and crazier. People are going down very interesting paths. They're really following their own, is it instincts? They're following their own impulses. Let's go with that. So you have a nice bag that you can store it in on the side of your bed or whatever. So this is going to come in handy for people that are doing more of that. You know, we're talking about like submission and dominance and different things like that. That's the kind of people that are typically going to be using this. But maybe you just want to use it and or you want to test it out and you've heard about these things and you're not sure. So this thing's very cool. Basically, this is the cage right here. That's what you go in, or the other person. And here we have the key, right? You have two keys and a clip right here on the top. You just unlock that and it allows you to open it up. So it can open up like that. And then when you want to lock the person in place, you kind of lock it to that, not too tight, but tight enough to keep them locked in there. And then what you do is just put that key back in, twist it, and it's locked in place. And they can't, if you keep the key, they can't get out of it until you unlock it. So it's kind of a nice little game for some people. I think it's designed really well. I've done about 150 reviews of products in this category. This is definitely unique. You can see you've got kind of an interesting face, like a dragon sort of face on the front. So kind of a very cool look. And hey, if you're into this sort of thing, give it a try.